Hey guys, I'm gonna quickly just run over to my shop real quick. Give me a second. Alright, so I'm in my shop right now. I'm about to head to Walmart and get some filming supplies. Before we go, rear main seal is here. So we were supposed to get the rear main seal done yesterday because today's Monday. But because of weather and stuff, I had to push it back to next Sunday. So until then, we'll do other stuff in the car. Get my keys, top in the Genesis, get my mask, Corona, let's go. Whew. It's hecka nice outside today. And my car is really not that low, but... Yo, what I ended up getting was this. So I can start filming more for the channel. This is just for if I take the drive down and the weather's not like, good, I could just throw this tape across. I don't know, something random. I might just settle on these. Just gotta make sure they're really tight so I don't hear rattle. A line of bolts and a line of nuts, and I'm just going one by one testing every last thing out. Our competition's over and our winners are these two bolts. Congrats guys, these are our winners. And the nuts are all four of these, whichever one I want to use. The only thing is, I think this is gonna be too small because it has to go through two flanges. You can see that one's a lot bigger than that one, so whatever happens, if this is too small, we'll just have to go with this setup. These are the worst to take off. That was a mission. I have one hanger here, which is not even really long enough. It's kind of stretching. And then that piece, I don't know what, so I might just have to zip tie. Just to set up intercrossing, overlapping, all that. Much better. It sounds muffled, it's so weird. Yeah, the car sounds a lot different. It sounds like a lot more muffled. We're just out here at a little chill spot. It looks weird with the front bumper off. Eventually, I'm gonna get like an intercooler, a better one than this, and then have it mounted up where it's not tilted down. Headlights and everything still needs work. so annoying.